welcome back to another video, another Christmas video, Christmas decorating video. If you happen to be new here, my name is Erica. Thank you so much and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a gingerbread theme. I'm going to be decorating my kitchen, my dining room, and then a few extra places in my house, just simple decor. If you've been around for a while, you know that I love the gingerbread theme. That's what I love to decorate with, and through the last, I believe this is my 4th Christmas that I've been using that sort of theme in my kitchen. And I did have a gingerbread tree in my kitchen a few years ago, and then we completely remodeled it and we didn't have a place to put a Christmas tree in there. And the last couple years I've really struggled because I really loved having a tree in there and I really wanted to bring it back. And there's a few places where it might work. We'd have to do some moving around things, and I didn't really want to like redecorate, like move my kitchen around just for that. So I came up with a solution and I'm excited to share it with you today. So this is my dining room. I have this beautiful hutch. I have my table that's covered in all my Christmas decor that I'm going to be using in here and in my kitchen. And the gingerbread theme last year, that's what I did this year. Definitely going to do it again. I like to add a few pieces each year. So this year, with the hutch being over here, I actually have the perfect spot for a pencil tree that I can decorate with gingerbread.
This is the Sintean 7-foot pencil tree. It comes with 300 multicolor lights, a sturdy metal base with a screw attachment. It comes with all the plugs and cords that you need, a nice long extension cord, and some fluffing gloves to fluff the tree. So it takes just minutes to assemble the tree. You're just going to set up your metal base, find the bottom piece of the Christmas tree, and stick that into the base, and then you're going to use the metal screw to secure it in place. And once that's secured, it's very sturdy and it doesn't tip over or fall over. It's a very well designed base. You're just going to insert each piece into the next one and fluff as you go. It takes a little while just to make sure that everything is fluffed up correctly and you have the look that you want. This tree does have multicolor lights, and it has a very super easy user-friendly system to plug them in. They come with attachments. The plugs each have labels on them, A, B, and C, and each piece of the tree is also corresponding with that. So you just find A and match it with A in the plug, and then you're going to stick it in and screw it together. Super easy design and very self-explanatory. The lights on this tree are also very bright, very bright and festive and colorful. If you like colored lights, you will really love the lights on this tree. Another feature that this tree has is these beautiful berries and pine cones that are scattered throughout. They're very generously scattered. I think there's a lot in there. And they have this sort of like frosted look on some of the branches. It's not a heavy, thick flocking, but it's a beautiful, lightly dusted, frosted look.
So because that plug sticks out from the wall out that much, Marion's going to go buy one of those extension cords where it's flat so you can actually, you know, put a piece of furniture in front of it. We have one of those behind our couch because that plug is covered up by the couch. So just be advised that if you do buy the tree, that it does come out pretty far. So either if you do have a piece of furniture in front of it, you'll need one of those extension cords. So we'll get one of those and plug it in, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights off now and just decorate it. I like to decorate the tree without the lights on because, I don't know, I just feel like you get a better idea of where to place ornaments and stuff, and then when it's all decorated, I will turn it back on. But I'm gonna show you kind of like the stuff that I'm gonna be decorating it with. So I've got a bunch of red. I definitely want the red to stand out. So I've got some red balls, some ribbons. I bought these to maybe like make some little like twisty picks to stick in the tree just to kind of fill it up. And then I have a whole bunch of gingerbread, cookies, lollipops. These look like sugar plums, all kinds of fun things. And then I think this ribbon I might use to go around as kind of like the garland because it looks like peppermint and it's adorable.
If you are interested in purchasing this beautiful pencil tree, just click on the link down in the description box. There is a discount code. Make sure to use that link if you'd like to use the code and save 10%. This is only valid until December 13th of this year, so make sure that you act quickly if you're interested in this tree.
So I got these balls from Hobby Lobby, and whenever you buy these boxes, they don't have any hooks on them. And I found that with these bigger, thicker branches, because they're so substantial, it's better to have like a kind of a loop or a big hook for it. So smaller hoops just don't work. So I went ahead and just tied a bunch of red ribbon around all of these, and I'm just going to put these in before I put the other ornaments to try, so I can know that they're spaced out evenly. If I have all the other ornaments, it would be hard to tell. So these are some of the my favorite things I picked up at Hobby Lobby for this tree. It was like a 3-pack on a stick, and I just pulled them apart. And I'm gonna just kind of twist these around because they're wire. That way they'll go further. I have 3 of these 3-packs, and to me they look like sugar plums, and I love them. So I put one on. I just took it and folded the stem like that in half, and then just wrapped this around one of the branches. These a lot. So these are the pipe cleaners, just wrapping it around my finger. And then just using this end to kind of wrap around, twist around one of the branches to hold it in. There it is, all decorated. How cute is that? I almost had too many ornaments. I probably went a little overboard, but I love a full tree. And with the colored lights, it's just so whimsical. I love the colored lights on the gingerbread tree. It just looks so cute. And the little peppermint twirls just gave it the perfect touch of whimsy, and so inexpensive. Those were only $1. I just love the way it turned out. I did stick the 2 lollipops at the top. I don't have a topper. I thought about putting a big bow up there, but I don't know. I might still do that. We'll see. But I like the 2 suckers up there too. So I found this red and white bow. I made this years ago. I used it on my gingerbread tree last time, and I'm trying to fluff it up. I think I am going to just put this at the top because it ties in with the red and white plaid bows.